Thank you so much for joining me. I am here in my living room just enjoying my Christmas decorations, listening to a fireplace on Netflix, and I thought it would be really fun to show you guys some ideas that I have to keep a Christ-centered Christmas. So let's jump into the video and check them out. So for this DIY, I picked up these ornaments on Amazon. I have them linked down in my description box. You're going to get a set of 24 ornaments. They also come with this ribbon. You are going to attach the ribbon into the hole and tie a knot. These would make just an ornament by themselves, and you could totally have just a Christmas tree with these ornaments. I also made another project with this, and I'll link that video at the end of this video and down in my description box. All we're going to do is attach these together. We're also going to be using this jute twine that is wired. I'm not sure where mine came from, but I do know that Dollar Tree sells a version of this. We're going to go ahead and attach these numbers that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. You can do this DIY a couple different ways. You can attach the numbers and attach our ornaments on each day as an advent calendar, or you could use a plain clothespins and you could just attach them all at once. Use it as a garland for a decoration all through the year. This one's super simple, would make a great gift or a gift for yourself. I absolutely love these ornaments. Let me know what you guys think about this Christ-centered Christmas idea. So this next idea is not a DIY, but it is something that I've really enjoyed doing with my family. Last year at Hobby Lobby, I picked up this kit, and it's called the Giving Manger. In the kit, you get this book, you get a manger, you get some straw, and a baby Jesus. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read this book, The Giving Manger. And it goes through a family who doesn't have a lot, and they usually get about one gift per year, and the father says that they're going to be getting more gifts this year. And the kids are really excited until they find out that it's this manger, and they're supposed to be putting some straw into the manger every time they do a good deed for someone. And so one of the children is really angry about this idea until they start doing kind things for other people, and it just follows them through their journey of doing this. So you're going to finish the book, and then you're going to introduce your manger and your straw and doing kind things for others. And through the entire season, you're going to be putting little pieces of straw into the manger, and then on Christmas Eve you're going to put out baby Jesus onto your straw of all the good deeds that you've done. I really love this. It really gives a nice spirit to your home and the idea that you are keeping your center of Christmas on Christ. Let me know what you think about this one. If you've made it this far in the video, I would love to know how you are celebrating a Christ-centered Christmas at your home. Leave a comment down below and let me know some ideas that you have. So this next DIY is one of these wooden kits that they have at the Dollar Tree. They came out with more this year, and in this one they had a nativity one. All we're going to do is use some antique Waverly wax. We're going to stain the entire thing. I also have this oval shaped wood piece that came from the Crafter Square area. Once I have this all done up with the antique Waverly wax, I'm going to put the pieces together. I like this one because it has holes for you to tell you exactly where the pieces go. You can flip it around if you want the wise men to be on the other side. So I just go ahead and assemble it, and then we're going to hot glue it down to our oval piece of wood. We're going to add some Spanish moss around the bottom and into the inside, and that is it. A super quick and easy nativity that only cost about $3, and you have this really nice decor piece. This would also make a really great gift. Let me know what you think about this one. It's that time in the video to hit the like button and let me know that you're enjoying this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. So for this DIY, I picked up this Nativity from Hobby Lobby. It's an unfinished wood. You can get it in the middle aisle at my Hobby Lobby, but it's definitely over in the Christmas area. I'm going to take some Waverly Antique Wax and I'm going to cover all of the Nativity and this wooden box that I got from Dollar Tree for $3. Once that has dried, I'm going to go ahead and take this gold leaf that I also got at Dollar Tree for $3. I've never used this project before, but I really liked how this turned out and I definitely want to do some more DIYs with this. But I'm just going to cover Mary, Joseph, and the baby. We're going to get all the gold leaf on there along with the star. And then once I had that all finished, I felt like the stable just needed something extra. It just looked too plain to go with this really high-end looking gold leaf. So I tried a couple different options. I dry brushed, I painted some copper paint on it, and I still felt like it was missing something, so I went ahead, covered it again with the copper paint, and then put the gold leaf on top of the copper. I really loved how this turned out because you get two different colors with the gold leaf, and so you get two like contrasting things. I went ahead and hot glued that to the box, and that is it. You could put some lights behind that. I think it would look very pretty with some lights, a string of the Dollar Tree lights. But here it is. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I thought I would leave you guys with one last little bit of my own nativity that I put out every year. It's a gift from my husband when we were very first married. I absolutely love it, and it's one of my treasured pieces. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Well, friends, that is it for today's video. If you want some more Christ-centered Christmas ideas, check out this video right here, or you can check out one of my other Christmas videos here. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!